Hey guys, it's Isaac here with Athens Ford. And as a matter of fact, today we are going to be driving a very nice and exciting 2018 F-150 STX package. Now the STX package, of course, is it's close to what an XL would be, only with a few more perks. So you get a big touchscreen, which is awesome. Of course, it comes with Sync 3. Not navigation, but the Sync 3, when it hooks up to your phone, you can pull up the navigation system from your phone and it'll show on the screen, which is what I always do, regardless of whether it has navigation or if it doesn't. So, I mean, that's already a plus for me. Anyhow, so with this STX package, you get the screen. You do also get backup camera, which is very nice on a bigger screen. Of course, you get satellite radio, you know, and the Bluetooth and all those good stuff. You get cruise control, which is awesome. But this truck is actually very special. And the reason why it's very special is because Athens Auto Sports got a hold of it and put a 6-inch lift by ProComp. So as you can see, I mean, the ride on it is a little bit higher than what it usually would be on F-150. But really, when you come up on our lot and you actually pull up, you're gonna see it. It's gonna stand out, okay? Not only does it have a 6-inch lift kit, but it has the XD wheels on it. Now the wheels you'll see in the glamour shots that were taken, they are a combination of black and red, and they go very nice with the little siding on the side of the truck. Now, Athens Auto Sports is it's actually very famous for doing anything from lift kits, like you see on this one, wheels. They do all kinds of modifications. If you have a Mustang, for example, we can add a supercharger. We can do all kinds of crazy stuff. Anything from visuals, like on this truck, or like on one of our Mustangs, Lancelot, where we added like 825 horsepower supercharger. I mean, just stuff like that is crazy. They do all kinds of awesome stuff. The awesome part about it too is that Athens Auto Sport isn't just like your backyard mechanic shop or anything like that. It's actually a shop where you know they're going to take professional care into whatever job it is that you put in front of them. You're going to be sure that the task that you gave these, you know, mechanics is going to be done at the top-notch stuff, high quality stuff. You know, only the best of brands. You know, everything is just high-end quality stuff. You know, Athens Ford has a lifetime warranty on their vehicles, on any new vehicle and on most of their pre-owned. So with that being said, it would only make sense that the parts that you get from Athens Auto Sport also come with warranty, right? Well, they do. So I'm gonna follow that back up with this truck right here, having the Pro Kit on there, and the wheels and just the packaging with the STX makes a phenomenal combination for that truck. That's going to be your daily driver. That's got, you know, the essential, you know, the essential features on it. So like the big screen, the backup camera, the Bluetooth, the cruise control, and it still looks awesome. So I'm very happy that Athens Ford has allowed me to test drive this truck. It's very comfortable too. So guys, with that being said, this F-150 STX package is a phenomenal build. You guys have to come out here and check it out. Just check out the crazy combinations that Athens Ford has on their lot. And that's just kind of just like a splash of what they can do. If you are someone who loves to customize their truck, their car, their Ford Explorer, because guess what? We don't just work on Mustangs and trucks. We work on all kinds of different Ford model vehicles. Then you should definitely come out and just check us out. Definitely. Well, guys, with you is Isaac here with Athens Ford. Hoping you guys are having a phenomenal day. And, well, we'll see you next time. Make sure to check us out on our website, athensford.com, or just come by our lot and check out our crazy builds here with Athens Auto Sports. Take care, guys.